Rubysh is actually a social enterprise that actually also works on how to empower women by providing job opportunities for them, especially improving the value and also increasing the value of waste supply chains. So by joining our workshop, they are actually having a much more opportunities to increase their income. We especially work with a very quite small community, but actually it's distributed along the capital cities. Basically, we work with dumping site communities. There are so many women working there with low amount of income, so we try to interfere by giving them a skill, training that can actually give much more job opportunities, including how to make jewelry out of the waste. It's a very good platform to provide a very important milestone for us as a social enterprise, including training, knowledge dispatch, and also how we can build up our social enterprise into the next level. This is a very, very interesting program for all of us, related with how we can actually grow, because we believe that by growing we need much more skill, much more expertise, and also network.
Pekerjaan saya sehari-hari di sampah, membantu suami saya juga mengelola botol sampah hingga menjadi seperti ini. Saya bertemu dengan Rubysh tahun 2018. Saya diundang ke pameran juga. Saya senang bisa mengikuti pelatihan Rubysh dan menambah kreativitas saya, juga menambah penghasilan sehari-hari saya.